Hi everyone, welcome again. This is JF Tech Hub. I know we have covered a lot about computer softwares, and actually computer softwares, these are programs that tells a computer what to do or that help a computer to perform a specific task. So today we're gonna look how these computer programs are developed. My name is Frank and don't go nowhere. When you're playing a computer game like this, have you ever asked yourself how is it possible for these tasks to move either down, right, down, left, or even up sometimes? It's kind of amazing, but this is due to the set of instructions that you are providing to the task in a computer. A set of instructions written in a language that a computer can understand is called code. A computer code tells a computer what to do. And therefore, a computer code is a building block or a foundation of all computer programs and even application. Now, let's get to know what's the meaning of coding. Coding is the process of writing a set of instructions in a language that a computer can understand. Therefore, coding is the process of writing computer code. This coding is done by using different computer programming languages. Coding is the process of creating a set of instructions that a computer can execute to perform a specific task. This step-by-step series of instructions executed by a computer when it performs a specific function is known as algorithm. Firstly, the concept of coding was initiated by the father of computer known as Charles Babbage, in which the first computer that was able to store this set of instructions was discovered in the early 18th. And the first programmer was known as Ada Lovelace. This set of instructions are written by using different programming languages. The programming languages started from machine language to assembly language. To date, we have high-level programming languages. We have over 700 programming languages that are used by different programmers to write. These programming languages act as the bridge between the human logic and the computer's binary language. We have common programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, C++, and other many more. Therefore, in the next session, we shall see how we can program or how we can create codes by using the programming languages, and specifically we shall use Python and Scratch as our programming language. So don't forget to like, also comment under this video, and let us meet in another session. See you.